Welcome back to my channel, Doris's Daily Beats, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it is the long-awaited birthday haul. Okay guys, so I don't want to spend too much time rambling because we got a lot of stuff to get through, because July, as you guys may not know, but you probably do because you seen my last video, it was my birthday month and I got a lot of stuff, and I just thought I would share it with you guys because I love watching these types of videos, and it's like the first time I think that I've really done one of these, so I'm like, why not? Let me see how it does. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you have not hit that notification bell yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that as well, and then of course like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna break this up in categories because there's a lot of stuff to get through. I don't want to make this a super extra long video, but I definitely want to, go through and show you everything, and hopefully I don't miss anything. So the first category we're gonna do was one of my faves, handbags. Okay, so for handbags, let me go ahead and show you what I got. The first bag we're going to talk about is this baby here, which I'm sure you guys seen in the thumbnail. And this bag, oh my goodness. So this bag I got from the Nordstrom Rack sale. The Nordstrom Rack was having an extra 25% off on what happened to be my birthday weekend. And I was really excited to be able to partake in that sale. I randomly just walked in Nordstrom Rack, like, let me look around. And the girl, when I walked in, was like, it's an extra 25% off. And when she said that, I'm like, oh my goodness, I hope I find something. I found too much stuff, guys, and that's kind of the issue. But this is one of the items that I found. This is a Kate Spade bag. I don't know the appropriate name, sorry. But actually, this is still in the regular store. This is not an older collection bag. This is actually from the newer collection, but it had a little minor defect. So they had it marked down to like $125. And then there was like an extra 25% off of that. So I had to get this. I just love it. I've been wanting a really nice, fun bag for summer. And I just thought this would be the perfect addition to my collection. I love the color scheme. The only thing that I don't like about this bag is the way it opens and closes, but other than that, I just think it's perfect. It has enough space to fit things, because I hate when I have a bag and you can't fit nothing in it. That's been like my pet peeve as of late. But I wanted something fun that fits stuff, and just, it's a color scheme that I could see myself wearing multiple ways. So this is the item here, and I'll post a picture of me actually wearing this for my birthday in a picture, so you guys can kind of see how I styled this. But I think this is super cute. So another bag that I purchased, because of course wouldn't be a birthday without bags, is this bag here. Now this bag is actually a bag that I got off of Poshmark for a really good deal. This is a Rebecca Minkoff bag. I had been looking for a black leather bag that wasn't too big, wasn't too small, but that would fit stuff. And yeah, I really like this bag. It has the 2 pockets that you can go in and out of, but a zipper in the middle for the important stuff. Essential thing for me is a crossbody strap. And I also kind of like the fact that you can be more top handle as well. So this was another bag that I really like. I think I paid about $55 for this on Poshmark. It's Saffiano leather. It's just a great quality. I mean, this was back practically in brand new condition. It wasn't nasty or anything at all. I've worn this a couple of times so far. I love the fact that it has the outside pocket. So this was a steal. So yes, this was another item that I purchased for myself for my birthday. Okay, and now that we're talking about bags, let's move on to some clothing items that I purchased. So again, I told you I went into the Nordstrom Rack. They were having that sale, and I got some clothes, just a couple pairs of jeans. First pair are here by STS Blue, I believe, or something. They were just cute, stretchy, and what drew me to them was the fact that they were marked down at $12.97 already. with an additional 25% off. So I couldn't pass these up, so I purchased these for about, what, 10 bucks? Can't beat it. The item that I'm super excited about is these shorts. Now, these shorts are by the brand Joe. I love me some Joe. I don't know if you guys were a part of the whole premium denim bandwagon back when it was really in. I feel like it's working its way back. I am all for premium denim. I kind of was upset when like the fast fashion denim came in, because I've honestly always been a person that liked to invest in jeans. And then the fact that, like, you know, all these companies just started making all these jeans for, you know, lower price points was great. But I don't know, I've kind of always been like a jean snob. I don't know if you can relate, but these are by Joe, and Joe was one of my faves back like in like the 2010 era. Yes. These normally are $118. They were marked down to $37.48 with an additional 25% off. So I spent about 25 bucks for these. Super cute. I kind of like how it looks. You know, they're short, but they're not too short. They have a little bit of length on them in the back, and they button up. Just a cute pair of shorts, and they're Joe, so couldn't pass those up either. Move on to beauty and fragrance. I'll go ahead and combine that category. Okay, so for that category, I'm going to start off with this item here, which is by Chanel. This is an item that Monroe Steele always talks about, and I was really excited to actually purchase this item. This is the Chanel face like white pad things. So yeah, I got those as just a little treat to myself. A little expensive for like a cotton white, but I really did want to get something from you know, the Chanel beauty line. I love how their packaging is, and those are, I believe, the most inexpensive thing you can buy on there for about $22. So yeah, I went ahead and picked those up as well. Okay, now we're gonna move on to fragrance, which is another category that a lot of people like. So the first fragrance that I picked up was this Sol de Janeiro fragrance. This is kind of like the same scent as the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It just comes in like a perfume. Here is the bottle. Looks, I don't think I should have to take the bottle off the box. Well, I can. But the packaging, it was just okay. And this fragrance, it honestly, I don't know how I feel about it. It smells good, but it also kind of gives me vibes of like, I don't know, like something that would be like at Bath and Body Works. And this retails for $78. So I don't know, this disco ball at the top, it kind of definitely cheapens this. It does smell good though. The lasting power isn't that great on here, but you know, I wanted to get it because I don't know, I really like how the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream smells, and it was my birthday, so I picked this up as well. And then the next fragrance, one that I'm so happy that I purchased. Oh my God, guys, this fragrance here. So I'm gonna show you how the packaging comes for one. Now this is the LANCOME IDOLE gift set. And y'all, it's perfume. So this is it. I'm sure everybody's seen this. This is the 1.7 ounce. Love this. It has the case. This is a case that comes with it, because I was like, well, how am I going to display this? So this case, I don't know. The case kind of looks a little cheesy to me. I didn't know that this was going to be what it looked like. So I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I just still think the box that it came in was beautiful, all of that, even this part here. So yeah, this retailed for $96, but I think they were having a sale on this too, and I got it for around like 56 bucks. So yes, can't beat it. Okay guys, so now we are going to move on to some beauty items that I got. I have not purchased a lot of beauty things in the past because I don't know, I just accumulated so much. When I first started this channel, I thought I was going to be doing a beauty channel, and I bought a lot of makeup, but I just went about doing that all wrong. And now in turn, I had a bunch of stuff, so I still kind of do have a lot of beauty items, but I wanted to try out some new brands and some stuff that I can see myself using. So of course I went with your girl, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm like, what is the hype about with this Charlotte Tilbury? I see what the hype I do. So, for one, look at the way these lipsticks come packaged. I took them off the actual box. I don't know, I thought I still had at least one box, but clearly I don't. But they are so cute. So this color right here, I think it's the one, no, this is Pillow Talk in like a mauve color. I haven't used this one yet, but the one that I have used and that I'm loving is this. This is another one of her lipsticks, and I just love the way that her lipsticks kind of are shaped. And when I tell you that this lipstick is like the best lipstick formula that I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot of different lipsticks. I am not a lipstick girl, but with the mask, you need a lipstick. I mean, yeah, you do. The gloss with the mask is just not working for me. So I'm like, I need to invest in a good lipstick, one that's not gonna dry my lips out, but one that, you know, still looks good and has some good shade ranges, all that good stuff, has a great formula, and I found her. I will be purchasing more colors of these. I really am into the whole Charlotte Tilbury lipstick line. Now, I did try this item out by Charlotte Tilbury. That's this like, almost like a liquid kind of lipstick. And I don't know, I thought this was gonna be a little more glossy, to be honest. I don't know what I was thinking from this, and I really wish I had kept the box. I'm gonna have to go back and look and see exactly what this even is. But this I'm not that impressed with, but the lipsticks, yes. Yeah, just hold off on this, but definitely if you can get your hands on the lipsticks, try that. And then the last beauty item that I got is something that I'm just so excited about, because y'all, I got this on sale, super sale. It is by trusty NARS, my first NARS foundation ever. This is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation that I haven't used yet. It's in the color Cadiz, and I'm looking forward to using this. I have not used it yet, but I did see Keiko Beauty talk about this and how she says this is one of her favorite NARS foundations. But let me tell you what really made me buy it. They had this on sale on Net-a-Porter for $25. Yes, I think it was like half off. I think this normally retails for about like $45. So when I seen that, I'm like, oh yeah, let me go ahead. Let me get that up out you. So yeah, I went ahead and I purchased this. So that's the last beauty item that I got. Okay guys, and now we're on to the last category, which is none other than shoes. Your girl loves a good pair of shoes. So I got a few different pairs sitting here, but the first pair that I'm going to go ahead and talk about is these babies here, and those are my Tory Burch Miller sandals. Look at this packaging, y'all. Look at this packaging. I'm like a little kid at the candy store still. I have to have it in the bag. I don't see how people just, how do you get rid of this bag? This bag is gorgeous. Is all this stuff in this bag? So I've bought Tory Burch shoes before. I don't ever remember them coming in a bag like that, but this is the packaging. I think I did have it gift wrapped for my birthday, so that may be the reason why they put it in that packaging. But I haven't worn a pair of Miller slides. I have the Miller sandals. I have a pair of Tory Burch just like kind of slides that I wear literally to death, but I wanted something else from her. I really like Tory Burch. I don't know, something like her quality's good, the price point's right where I need it to be. So they put a little card in here and it just says happy birthday Doris, and it has like the Tory Burch emblem, really cute. And y'all, wait till y'all see these sandals. Look at these. Look at these. This. Guys, I love these. I mean, with a pair of jeans and just a white tee, a pair of leggings. Oh my goodness. Endless possibilities with this shoe. You take the paper out. I mean, this navy is gorgeous. I just love the way the green and the aqua. Whew. I thought about returning these, y'all. I really did, because I was like, well, I'm not really gonna get any wearing out of these. And then I don't know. I just fell in love with them all over again just by looking at them, y'all. Shoes here. So yes, this was another gift to myself. These retail for about $198. So a little bit on the pricier side, but not too pricey. Not as pricey as some of this stuff y'all be buying, but yeah. And then the next few pair of heels, heels. Shoes are heels. Gave that away quick. These are just some heels that I purchased from various places that I ended up literally walking away with at Nordstrom Rack. They also, they're $37.48 with the extra 25% off. This shoe here is actually quite comfortable. I love the way it kind of goes in here. I don't honestly have a lot of heels anymore, and I thought that I would really take this time to build up my collection. So I needed, of course, a pair of just good black pumps to kind of wear out if I want to, or if I need to go somewhere where I need to dress a little more professional. You know, this would be my go-to heel. Now, it is a little high, but I don't know. I like it. It's not too bad. When I put it on, it was actually really comfortable. So I was really quite surprised. But I've been really getting back into heels lately, so I went ahead and picked those up. Alrighty, then the last two pairs of heels that I have are actually from Express, and they were a gift from one of my dear friends. She had like a bunch of like $20 vouchers for Express, and they were having a super sale. She said, "It's your birthday, girl, go crazy." I said, "Thanks, friend." This heel here, look at this color, y'all. Look, it's like a croc embossed white heel. Look at the way the heel is shaped, y'all. This heel here is so cute. This was, I don't know, they were not, they say $39.99 on the tag, but I swear I got both of these for like, these are probably like 20 bucks, no lie, y'all. And they were normally $69.90, but oh my goodness, they are so flipping cute. So I had to have these, I did. But not least, another pair of black heels, y'all. I don't know what's been getting into me in heels, and Miss Rona has not been letting me live this summer, so I don't know what that's about. But yes, here are the heels that I have here, and it's just really cute. Goes around the ankle. I just thought these would also be cute. These are a little more dressy. These I paid around the same price, I believe, for them. But guys, they're so cute. And I know the heel is high, but I've been liking these high heels lately. I believe that brings us to the end of the video. I don't know, it seemed like it went pretty fast, but maybe it didn't go fast to you. But yeah, I had a lot of fun this year, just kind of shopping, doing things that I don't normally do. I don't normally spend a lot of money for my birthday because I'm normally trying to travel somewhere. But this year I'm like, hey, I'm home, I want to go ahead, just treat myself to a few things, not break the bank, but still, you know, have fun. So I'm really glad that I went ahead and was able to do that. And I want to say thank you guys so much for just sticking with me this long, if you've made it this long in the video. And if you have any questions, concerns, leave them down below in the description. Leave them down below in the comment section. I definitely will respond to you guys. And thanks again. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.